Does this color suit my complexion?
このは私の肌に合っていますか？
Does this color suit my complexion? Does this color suit my complexion? Both the husband and wife are wage earners.
夫も妻も給与所得者です。
Both the husband and wife are wage earners. Both the husband and wife are wage earners. You're getting on my nerves.
イライラしてきますね。
You're getting on my nerves. You're getting on my nerves. A blood test and urine test.
血液検査と尿検査です。
A blood test and urine test. A blood test and urine test. A good journey to you.
あなたにとって良い旅になりますように。
A good journey to you. A good journey to you. A haircut and a shave, please.
散髪とひげ剃りをお願いします。
A haircut and a shave, please. A haircut and a shave, please. A wolf won't eat wolf.
狼は狼を食べません。
A wolf won't eat wolf. A wolf won't eat wolf. All the best.
ではごきげんよう。
All the best. All the best. Everything is hard before it's easy.
何事も簡単になる前に難しいものです。
Everything is hard before it's easy. Everything is hard before it's easy. Anything else?
他に何か。
Anything else? Anything else? Are there smaller ones?
小さいのはありますか？
Are there smaller ones? Are there smaller ones? Are we nearly there yet?
もうそこに近づいていますか？
Are we nearly there yet? Are we nearly there yet? Are you all right?
大丈夫ですか？
Are you all right? Are you all right? Are you allergic to anything?
何かアレルギーがあるのか？
Are you allergic to anything? Are you allergic to anything? Are you expecting a child?
子供を期待していますか？
Are you expecting a child? Are you expecting a child? Are you free on Saturday?
土曜日は空いていますか？
Are you free on Saturday? Are you free on Saturday? Are you hurt?
怪我をしていますか？
Are you hurt? Are you hurt? Are you in love?
あなたは恋をしていますか？
Are you in love? Are you in love? Are you starting your doctorate?
博士号の取得を始めていますか？
Are you starting your doctorate? Are you starting your doctorate? Aren't you curious about this?
これについて興味がありませんか？
Aren't you curious about this? Aren't you curious about this? Don't be a crybaby.
なしにならないでください。
Don't be such a chicken.
そんなチキンにはならないでください。
Don't be such a crab.
そんなカニにならないでください。
Don't walk all bent over.
全身をかがめて歩かないでください。
Don't talk back to me.
私に口答えしないでください。
She should work out to keep healthy.
彼女は健康を保つために運動するべきだ。
Your resistance is down.
あなたの抵抗力は下がっています。
The sink is backed up.
シンクがバックアップされています。
I believe in life after death.
私は死後の世界を信じています。
Blood runs thicker than water.
血は水よりも濃く流れます。
Are you singing or yelling?
歌ったり叫んだりしていますか？
Would you like to go to KTV?
KTV に行きませんか？
Do you sell stationery?
文房具は売っていますか？
Don't beat around the bush.
無理をしないでください。
I think I'll have to cram.
詰め込まないといけないと思います。
Do you require a security deposit?
保証金は必要ですか？
It's too bitter for me.
私には苦すぎます。
Don't worry yourself sick.
病気だから心配しないでください。
Can you tell me your daily beauty regime?
あなたの毎日の美容法を教えていただけますか？
I want to pay in installments.
分割払いしたいのですが。